And now another Times Now exclusive report that exposes just how a governor, the former governor of Gujarat, spent 500 days out of her state, traveling mostly to her hometown. It's a story of how the Raj Bhavan has been looted, exposing a freeloader culture. In the 500 days of travel, the governor has undertaken 53 flight trips to her hometown, which has cost the exchequer over 1.4 crore rupees. In fact, that loot has now been exposed by Times Now's political editor Navika Kumar, an inordinately high number of trips, and most of them, incidentally, Navika, marked as official trips, but to her hometown. What was the possible reason?
Well, clearly it shows the Raj Bhavan loot culture that was on in Gujarat by former governor of Gujarat, Kamla Beniwal. In fact, I have in my hand a complete statistical report that has been prepared by the insiders in the government. In fact, this shows about 500 days spent by Kamla Beniwal outside of Gujarat Raj Bhavan. These documents clearly show that in 2010, she spent 132 days out of the Raj Bhavan outside the state, 105 days in 2011, in 2012, 89 days, in 2013, 108 days spent outside the state. In each of these years, she's taken 30, 21, 20, 19 official visits outside the state. In fact, very shocking numbers come in this particular page where the details of the flying hours of Kamla Beniwal between 2011-12 and 2013-14 have been shown. In fact, 277 hours of flying is what she's clocked in the state aircraft. The state aircraft clearly showing 277 hours of flying for 63 trips. Out of these 63 trips, 53 trips were to Jaipur. Now, Jaipur is the hometown of Kamla Beniwal, and 53 trips were made to Jaipur in the official state plane. The question is, was the governor using the state plane, making official visits, visiting her hometown Jaipur at a time when she should have been governing the state of Gujarat? That is the big expose really coming out. In fact, it clearly shows in the year 2011-12, 20 trips were made to Jaipur by Kamla Beniwal in the state plane. In 2012-13, another 15 trips, and in 2013-14, another 18 trips. So 53 trips out of 63 trips were made to Jaipur alone, and the remaining 10 trips were made to hobnob with politicians in New Delhi. Kamla Beniwal was the governor of Gujarat till the 7th of July 2014, and in 5 years she spent nearly 500 odd days outside the state, traveling in the state plane, and in just 3 years she clocked about 277 flying hours in the state plane. And if you take at an average of 3 lakh rupees per hour as the cost of flying, then this works out to about 10 crores that was spent in these 3 years alone. One is the, of course, question of the flying time and the usage of the aircraft of the state, which runs on public money, that Kamla Beniwal really used to go to her hometown in Jaipur. 53 trips in 3 years. 10 trips to Delhi that were made, all in the state plane. Apart from that, of course, the fact is that a governor who's been posted to actually pass bills, sign ordinances, actually was spending 500 days in her less than 5 year tenure in Gujarat outside the state, with several state bills pending which were never sanctioned. In fact, three